Welcome. Today we celebrate the solemnity of the Immaculate Conception of Mary. This is the day on which we remember that Mary was conceived without sin so that she could be the sinless mother of the Savior, of Jesus. Today's gospel reading is the story of the Annunciation. But rather than focus on Mary today, I prefer to offer a couple of reflections on the angel Gabriel. So in the story, we see that Gabriel is God's messenger, God's agent, that Gabriel is sent by God to deliver his message to Mary. We see that Gabriel brings good news, brings gospel to Mary by telling her that she is to be the mother of Jesus. And when she expresses her doubts or insecurities about her ability to take on this all-important mission, Gabriel reassures Mary that all will be well, that God will be with her. So my question in light of today's feast and today's readings is this: who are the angels in our lives? Who are God's messengers to us today? Is it someone in our own home? Someone in our parish, our neighborhood, our workplace? Who is that person? Who is that angel who will bring us good news? Good news about Jesus, good news about our faith. Who is that angel who will reassure us when we experience doubts and hesitations? I invite us all to think about the angels in our lives and to give thanks to God for them, just as Mary did. Thank you so much for watching today.